Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this Evangelion 2.0 and the item number is 92224, and also here is has the stickers for this is absolutely not the fake one, okay? And then we're gonna see what's inside. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is Sundershot, and then this is the sticker. All right, and the chassis come with is the MS chassis. Okay, but it's a MSL. Okay, and the chassis itself is this one come with the reinforced chassis. Okay, and the wheel it comes with the 5-spoke regular wheels. So here you can see this way. Okay, it says PP, so that's regular 5-spoke. Okay, and the tire it gave us the arch tire, but it has the lettering, and you can see the lettering. Okay, and this is the gear. The gear ratio is 4.1, and it's low friction the plastic rollers, and others are all same. Okay, so for this unit, if you are a collector, this is definitely what you want, but I know it's a little bit hard to find, but I believe if you want to find it, you can definitely find it somewhere. All right, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.